Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, hi, I'm Glory. So today's video is going to be about my review on Farmacy Honey Potion Mask and how to apply it on your face. So yeah, this video isn't sponsored or anything. I just want to give you guys my honest review about this product. So yeah, if you can see, I didn't put any makeup on today because I was just so ready to put this mask on my face, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So this product is an antioxidant and hydrating mask with a pure honey, and the honey sourced from the US farms. It also has propolis and amino acid royal jelly, which helps to hydrate your skin. I have a really dry skin, and if you also have a dry skin, this product is really good for your face. It helps hydrate your skin and also give you a dewy look. So yeah, highly recommend it. The price is $56. I know it's a little bit pricey for some people, but but I highly recommend getting this one because it's just worth of your money. And also, I've been owning this for 2 years now, and I still have this much, so it's kind of like a lot. I feel like this is gonna last forever. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply this product. Make sure that you wash your hands before applying this product, and also wash your face. I'm gonna scoop 1 or 2 of this product and apply it to my face. Sometimes I also massage my face to make it the product more absorbed to my face. So that's it for my today's video. Hopefully this video helpful. So don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.